Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got recovery hooks, tow hitch receiver, a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a nice no bed liner, but you do get a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped Tremor running boards, side view camera, spotlight, turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do get yellow recovery hooks, front park sensing, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does CR25 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with some yellow accents, plenty of door space in the back, carpeted interior. You got the nice stitched on Tremor logo, split folding rear bench seat, cup holders and storage, heated back seats, rear vents, 12 volt and USB and USB-C, 120 volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, but we do get the B&O sound system in the headrest, the Tremor logo, plenty of door space up front, upgraded B&O sound system, power folding mirrors, windows, locks, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 48,802 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we got My View, trip and feel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To remember, we've got a gear select that is collapsible, storage cup holders, wireless charging, apparently a Splenda pack, USB and USB-C, and it does close. Got your center console here as well with tons of storage underneath. A interior work surface where you can put your laptop, your food, all that jazz, with rear locking diff, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, engine start stop, with your dual climate up front, heated front seats, and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with that lovely 6 upfitter switches you can set up however you please, a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, hazards, traction, trail control, media controls, and your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls, your navigation, pretty easy to use, search, recent, saved, have widgets on the side here, you see you can keep your navigation open and audio open at the same time. Your fave apps will be right here, such as messaging, email, trailer turn, power tailgate. Any apps you may have downloaded will also show up here with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8214, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.